kind of just turned into shaving cream.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory! Guys, so today I am going to be mixing all activators, and that means Tide, borax, liquid starch, contact lens solution, and baking soda method. I'm gonna be mixing all of them together, and I'm gonna try and make some slime, and we're gonna see what type of texture we come out with, and yeah, that's basically what we're gonna do. And today's liquid job is gonna be generous liquid with your elbow. Do that. Let's go straight on into the video. Yo. Alright guys, so first we gotta mix up all of our activators. So first we're gonna put Tide. This one is Tide Pure Clean, clean, not pure, Anyway, so this one is like a new one, I think. It's 100% renewable electricity and 0% dyes, 100%, I don't know. I think it's just like a more nature-friendly one. I got it a while ago. It's weird. It makes fluffy slime. Slime's fluffy. So yeah, we're just gonna put some of that. So that there's the same amount of liquid in each one. Paul had a great idea of using the cap to measure it. Measure it to the first one. Now we're gonna add liquid starch. Also guys, what do you think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna make like the slime super hard or like super, you think it's gonna like activate it really fast? I feel like it's gonna be kind of like a watery, creamy, thick slime because of like the detergent, but watery because of the liquid starch and the, yeah, just because of the liquid starch. Okay, so there's the liquid starch. Liquid starch just messed up everything. Ow. Now we go ahead and add the borax. This is just some normal borax, you know, 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of borax, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of borax. Last but not least, guys, we got the contact lens solution and baking soda method. I don't really like this one. I do like it because it's kind of like really simple. You just get like the baking soda, and then you get this, and then voila, you got slime. But also, a lot of times when I do it, for some reason the slime like gets hard, like the top of it. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'm putting too much baking soda, but yeah, we're gonna try that. So I'm just gonna put that much. That's like 2 pinches right there. I guess I'll just put the same amount of contact lens solution as I did for everything else. There we go. By the way, guys, a little hack, I guess. If you're annoyed with this thingy, you know, just pouring it out, just open it and then pull this part right here, and then you can like open it really easily. All right, let's go ahead and mix this. This looks gross. Okay, well, it's not really thick anymore, but I feel like it's kind of like slimy. I just feel like I don't touch it though. Okay, let's go ahead and get the glue here so we can try and make some slime. Okay, first we're gonna try, guys, is regular glue glue. I always do that glue. Anyways, glue. Okay, so we're gonna put that. I love the way that regular school glue looks. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some coloring. I'm gonna put this one as orange. Boop. There we go. Nice and orange now. Or like a creamy orange color. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. I wonder what's gonna happen, guys. You think it's gonna take a lot or less? I feel like it's gonna take not a lot. I feel like it's gonna activate like a lot. We're mixing like 4 activators in here, guys. It's gonna be like a super activator, or it could be a terrible activator, who knows. Just as a measurement, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon. Okay, let's go ahead and, you know, activate it. Ooh, that's interesting. It seems like it's only gonna need like 1 tablespoon. Is it actually strong, guys? I think it needs more. 1 more tablespoon. I feel like that's all it's gonna need, but I don't know. Maybe 1 more, but I think it's only gonna need 2. Don't know why, but I do definitely know I am thinking that. It's kind of soaping up. I think that's because of the Tide, so that must be why it becomes fluffy when you use this Tide. Maybe I should use regular Tide. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon. So I think that's gonna be the finishing touch. You know how when you make slime and then it just needs like a little bit more activator, just kind of make it like not sticky? That's this. This is the final touch. It sounds like a commercial. All right, guys, we are finally done. We do have this left though. That's like 1/4, I don't know. But it's just a little bit. So I guess we kind of just need like 2 tablespoons and like 2/3 or something. I don't know. Okay, guys, so here it is. I don't know. I feel like it just activated it normally. Usually it just like takes about around 3 tablespoons, I think, of activator. And I think that's what this one, you know, yeah, that's what it did. I don't know why I'm saying I think. But anyways, it just needed normal activator. So yeah. It did activate like easier though, I feel like, than like, you know, borax or like contact lens solution. Like I didn't need to knead it as much. I feel like that might have been thanks to the Tide, because Tide usually does that. But like it really didn't need any kneading. It's just like a couple of folds and that's it. But yeah, that's how it turned out. The texture's not bad either. It's I think it's on the thinner side, but it's, yeah, it's like on the thinner side, I think. But it's kind of like fluffy, poofy. All right, Paul, can you touch it? I want to see if it's sticky.
All right, ultimate test.
By the way, guys, Paul has super sticky fingers. Well, I don't know. It's just slime doesn't go well with his fingers. He doesn't have sticky fingers. He just slime sticks to his fingers. Whoa, is it working, Paul?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I think this passed the test, guys, even though there wasn't really a test. All right, I'm gonna do this 10 out of 10. I liked it. Basically, I don't think it's really any different from the other ones. So next one we're gonna do is clear glue. This is Elmer's clear glue. Now this one is hard to activate. Like, it is crazy. Like, you just gotta like, oh my God. I can't explain it enough, guys. It is horrible because you have to like knead it like a lot, and there's like a lot of like strings in it, you know. And yeah, so we're gonna put the glue. Now we're gonna add the food coloring. I want to add pink. You know what? No, I'm gonna add pink and yellow. I want it to be. I've never seen a clear peachy color, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. There you go. Ooh, look at how beautiful it's gonna be. Well, that's how it turned out. It turned into an orange, so that's nice. I'm gonna add some pink to it. Let's see what happens then. Okay, turn into some type of red. I like it. It's like an orange, red, blood orange thing. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. Oh, it's gonna become foggy, guys. Okay, so let's add 1 tablespoon. Usually clear glue needs like less activator than, you know, white glue. So I wonder if that's the case with this one though. And I wonder if this one is gonna make it very foggy. Because usually when you use liquid starch, it makes it like super foggy. So I wonder what's gonna happen with this. Well, it seems like it's already like enough activator, which is very weird. I wasn't really expecting that. I was expecting that it would use less activator, but not this much less. It kind of just turned into shaving cream. Okay, well, I think I need like another tablespoon. There we go. Okay, well, I think you need, yeah, definitely need less activator. Okay, guys, so here is the slime. I think it's kind of like, it feels a little bit like less thick than usual, like, you know, like than the usual just, you know, clear slime. But, yeah, there's nothing really wrong with it, just slime. It does seem like it has more bubbles than like the normal, like usually when you like make clear slime, clear Elmer slime, since it's so thick, it kind of like looks like really bubbly, and especially with Tide. But this one seems like it has like extra bubbles, guys. Also, I think it kind of activated like a normal amount. But yeah, here's the slime. Kind of looks pearlescent in a way, no?
Yes.
Now we do a little bit of 4K smart. Okay, let me do a bubble, guys. I gotta do a lot of bubbles. Nice. I'm gonna try and do a bubble swirl. That's right, only one has been done in history. I'm just kidding, but I wanna try that. Ooh. Yeah, it does look like super shiny, kind of like if there's pigment in it, but like at the same time it doesn't. Like, I guess like if it just had like shimmer in it, that's what it looks like. Like not pigment too much, but like just like a lot of glitter or something, I don't know. But yeah, next one you do, guys, is glue. So let's get started. Okay, so let's put the glue. Glue is a lot thicker, guys. It's also kind of like clear glue, where like it has like a lot of strings when you need to knead it. Like, geez, look at how thick that is. It's so nice and glossy too. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and leave it white. I want to leave it white. I want to see how this will turn out. So here is 1 tablespoon. How much do you think it's gonna need? I feel like it's gonna need like 2 tablespoons.
I think 3.
Okay. Is it gonna need like 1 tablespoon? Because it kind of seems like it. Okay, well, it's activating in the middle like a lot, which usually it does that, but like a lot this time. Just swirl it a lot. Okay, I think I'm gonna need some more activator. That's the 2nd tablespoon.
Would you like more?
Sure.
3.
You haven't won yet, Paul. There could still be a 4th tablespoon needed.
But I'll still be closer.
No. Don't activate. Don't activate.
You have a lot of activator left.
Yeah, that means I only need like 2.5, which I'm closer.
No, because it's still a little sticky and it's not good for my hands. So.
It's not sticky at all. Although it is kind of like thicker in a way. I don't know. It's like a different kind of thick. I don't know if you guys see all those like lumps and stuff, but that's that's what it's called, like a string. Basically, you need to knead it a lot. That's what's going on with the glue. That's why glue is kind of hard to activate. This one wasn't too hard to activate though. Usually when you use like borax, it's like super hard to activate. It's like you have to mix it for like a year for it to finally, you know, activate. So yeah. Okay, guys, here it is. It's really nice. I actually really love the texture. This is my favorite slime from all 3 that we just did. I don't know. It has a different texture. It kind of like feels powdery almost. I don't know if you guys can also hear it. Okay, let's go ahead and do a swirl. Ooh, that turned out really nice. Kind of like a fluffy slime. Yes. I don't know, it has such a weird texture and I am loving it, guys. It's like a matte, thick slime, but like it's not butter slime, you know? It's almost like shaving cream, like shaving cream, but like
It looks really fluffy, nice and thick.
Yeah, I don't know. It's so weird, guys. I really love the texture. So I would love to see how this would turn out after all the bubbles are gone. But can you guys guess what we're gonna do now? Slime smoothie! Let's go. No! Okay, so we got the first one, that's the school glue, school glue, and then we got the clear one, which isn't really clear right now. And now we have a peach flag. This is the French flag.
No, it's
right?
not the French flag.
Isn't this the French flag, Paul? I'm kidding. It's obviously the American flag. All right, let's go. Looks like salmon. Love it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so cool. I know you guys don't like it when I press on these swirls, but I like to do this because it looks cool. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, this is the best slime smoothie I have done ever. Alright, well guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you want to do a part 2. I can do it like with crazy air glue, I don't know. Or mixing all the detergents together. Alright guys, that is it. I love you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!